situation where you're only managing it by the numbers is extremely rare. This is not something that is common knowledge. I've seen seminars for $20,000 that don't teach what I'm going to teach you in this class. Okay. Now what I've done is I put together about 20 different videos that goes through what I just described here, all the Greeks, which is the delta, gamma, theta, vega. I've given you introductory videos on the introduction to the profit scenario, what you really need to learn and how to understand the positions that we're creating. I've also gone into extensive trade selection and strategy. Trade selection and strategy is absolutely critical because we don't put these kind of positions on without a plan. This is a business, remember. We have a plan, and we put these positions on with a plan. So I go into trade selection and strategy. I also go into portfolio building. How do we build our portfolio? Because you can put on just one or two of these trades, like in the diamonds, EEM, the IWM, or the SPYs. But it's really about putting on different positions on different prices on different indexes and building a portfolio. And this is where the power of this system comes in, because you get to manage the portfolio rather than individual positions. One position might go against you, the other three positions are looking good, so you can kind of manage that one that was going against you, and it doesn't affect the other three. So even with $1,600 in margin here, we still have 4 positions. We still have 4 positions, so we're not trading large contracts. That's another thing too, is when you get started, you're trading, just a few contracts, but the return on investment is absolutely huge here. I talk about using this particular platform, the thinkorswim platform. See, the thing about this platform is it allows you to manage your investment as a business because of the numbers that they're giving you. They tell you what the numbers are. They give you those numbers absolutely free. They have a absolutely fantastic charting package. There's all kinds of things. You get live real-time prices. The package that thinkorswim actually gives to you is, if you had to go out and buy the software to do this, it'd probably cost you a couple $100 a month. And years ago, and the one reason why I think this business is going to be is just, it's really, really at the right time for a lot of retail investors to learn how to do this, because a lot of these tools haven't been available except for the last couple of years. So, and thinkorswim constantly reinvests in their platform to make it better and easier to use and to give you more information. The type of analysis that you'll see in the videos that we're going to be doing is absolutely incredible. You can't get the type of analysis, and you can't monitor your trades in a window like this in other platforms. They just don't have it. I won't knock other brokerage firms, but I did have another account at a large option, and they just specialized in options. You couldn't get these kind of numbers. You couldn't manage your business by the numbers like you can with this platform. So I have a video just on the selection, the order entry, how to get help, and how to manage your trading platform through the thinkorswim platform. Then I go into portfolio management, and specifically portfolio management by these Greeks. Now, if you know options, then you know the Greeks. Okay. If you don't know options that well, or you haven't gotten a introduction to the Greeks yet, I go through that. And we're going to manage our portfolio. That's the whole deal. We manage the whole business. Then, when we find a problem, we dig down into each individual position to find out whether or not, in fact, we need to make adjustments to our business model, just like a real business. We make the adjustments, things are looking good again, and we continue on the position, and at the end of the month, all we do is collect our pay. That's the whole deal. We just wait. Here, let me show you exactly what happens, because over time, the neat thing about this is that you can actually tell what your profitability is going to be over time. If we take a look down here in